Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English.
Life gets a lot easier when you stop caring about other people's opinions.
Let's break it down.
Life gets a lot easier.
Life gets a lot easier. Life becomes much more simple. Repeat. Life gets a lot easier. Life gets a lot easier. Usage examples. Life. The accident changed his life forever. She decided to start a new life in New York. He has been a teacher all his life. I have been waiting for this moment all my life. Get. The situation gets complicated. He gets angry when he is hungry. The room gets dark when the lights are turned off. A lot easier. This exercise is a lot easier than I thought. With practice, the task becomes a lot easier. After the explanation, the problem seemed a lot easier. Life is a lot easier when you don't care about what others think about you.
When you stop caring about other people's opinions.
When you stop caring about other people's opinions. When you no longer worry about what other people think. Repeat. When you stop caring. When you stop caring about other people's opinions. About other people's opinions. Usage examples. Stop. I decided to stop smoking. We should stop wasting time. You should stop worrying about it. Care about. I care about your opinion. They don't care about the environment. You should care more about your health. She cares a lot about her family. Other people's opinions. I don't care about other people's opinions. She values other people's opinions. He is influenced by other people's opinions. We should respect other people's opinions. Vocabulary recap. Life. Gets, get. A lot. Easy. Easier. When you stop. Caring, care. About. Care about. Stop caring about. Other people. Other people. Opinions. Other people's opinions. Read. Listen.
Life gets a lot easier when you stop caring about other people's opinions.
Would you like to see more videos like this one? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.